What you do is take out the old seal. Usually take a sharp object or screwdriver to get down in the side of it. You can start prying it up, and then you can pull it out. Some acetone. Clean out the slot so you get rid of any debris, water that's in there. Then I'll take the glue. Make sure you get it in the corners good. Spread it in there. Take your seal. Hold it at several spots for a few seconds. Make sure you get your corners held in good. I suggest you let it dry before you run it. Give it a chance so the water don't get in there right away. Let it be for a little while. Make sure the seal's held down in, glue. Give it a chance to set a little bit. It's good to go.